Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrasal verb block somebody off. It means to stop someone from moving or accessing a place. You can use it when someone is physically stopped, like in traffic, or when someone is prevented from getting information. Block somebody off is a separable phrasal verb. You can say block somebody off or block off somebody. For example, the police blocked the road off. Or the police blocked off the road. Both are correct. Use it when you want to say someone is stopped or blocked. For example, the guards blocked us off at the entrance. It can be used in formal and informal situations. Remember not to confuse it with block in or cut off. Block in means to trap someone or a vehicle. Cut off means to stop communication or supply. Try using block somebody off in your own sentences. It will help you speak more naturally. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.